In this short and simple video, I want to show you how to install Chrome browser on your smart TV. If you're a Google lover like me, then definitely Chrome is going to be your favorite browser. And if you are using a smart TV, this is how you install Chrome on your smart TV. So head over to your App Store. When you're on your App Store, search Chrome. So I'm going to quickly search Chrome. And that is it. When we've written it down, we can head over to enter. So that's the Chrome app. I just click on it and download. As simple as that. I just click on download and it starts downloading. That's it. Simple as that. So if you love this video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.